You're listening to the clip. Drip, drip, drip. Clip. You're listening to the clip. Don't let it slip. Don't.
It finally happened. I knew it was only a matter of time. We had gotten away with too much for too long. Now we're in a speeding van, Kenny behind the wheel. We had planned so carefully. Freddie paying close attention to all the floor plans and making sure that every possible exit was accounted for. I planned our entry. I was able to gather all of the intel on schedules and alternate schedules. Yeah, but we didn't plan on Steve boosting the van filled with cans of old ether from a medical museum. Now we're trying to put distance between us and the casino henchmen. We have 22 million of their cash, and they want it back.
They're shooting at us. Crap, man. Kenny, drive faster.
What do you think I'm doing?
Why didn't you wear your glasses, Steve? Did you actually think you stole a taco van?
I'm sorry. Who names a museum Taqu? I thought it was short for taqueria.
Fred, I know we said no guns, but you're gonna have to shoot back. It's either us or them. A bullet zipped past my head and hit a can.
Footsteps fade, the cold wind grins. Each story told, where it begins. A final note, the static spins. The clip is done, let night creep in. Thank you for listening to the clip, where shadow goes dance in secrets. Whispers echo, the night won't quit. Thank you for listening to the clip.